Welcome to TitanMind. In this quick demo, we'll show you how to set up and use the TitanMind's Postgres MCP server to connect your database and chat with your data using AI. First, open your browser and go to platform.titanmindhq.com/engage. Click the profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, you'll see several options like General Settings, Channels, Messages. Under AI, you'll find MCP servers. Click it to reveal four options: G Sheets, Postgres, WhatsApp, and Meta Ads. For this demo, we're focusing on Postgres. Click Configure in the top right corner of the Postgres MCP server to start the setup process. Here, you'll need to enter the database URL from your Superbase project that you want to connect. To get the URL, go to superbase.com and open your project. For this demo, we're using a project called Demo E-commerce. In Superbase, click Connect in the header to access your database URL. Copy this URL and replace your password with your actual database password. Paste the modified URL back into the Postgres configuration field on TitanMind and save. Your database is now configured. Now click Chat with AI on the right side of the header. You'll be taken to an interface where you can ask questions directly from your database. For example, let's ask which products have less than 50 units in stock and were last restocked before July from our demo e-commerce database. TitanMind even shows how the AI is thinking, making it easy for non-technical users to gain insights from complex data. And that's it. With TitanMind's Postgres MCP server, anyone can connect and query their database effortlessly. Unlock powerful insights from your data today with TitanMind.